All right. I'm going to show you guys how to put in an image into a Google Docs and link to a YouTube video. First of all, I would type out, your document. I just type out the whole document first. Okay. Then I would block my title and change it to main, or title, I'm sorry. You may not get an underline on here, and that's fine. Okay. Obviously, these are the bullet keys right here, and you just go upstairs here and click on your bullet list. Okay. This little title right here that goes above the paragraphs, this is a heading 1. Okay. Now, and then you do the same thing all the way down through your document. Now I'm going to show you guys how to put in a clip art that's going to link to a YouTube image or a video. I'm going to make room for my image here, so I'm going to click here and then I'm going to center it. The correct way to do it is to go to Insert, Drawing, New, let this thing load up, and you choose this box right here, this image box. Click on it, and then you're going to search. I'm going to put in Washington Monument. This is the one I want to choose. You can choose any one you want, and I'm going to select it. Let it load up, then save and close. Okay. I'm going to click on it and resize this thing a little bit. It's kind of large. Okay, there we go. Now you know you did it right if you can see this link right here. So now what we do is we go into YouTube, and I'm going to type in my search Washington Monument, and there it is right there. Okay. So I'm going to choose this guy right here. You can choose any one you want. I'm going to click on it. Wait till it opens up, and then copy this URL. Copy. I'm going to turn this guy off here. Then I'm going to go back to my document. Okay. I'm going to click on my link here, and I'm going to paste this in. Paste. Apply. And now that should be it. Okay, I'm going to close my YouTube up here, and then I'm going to click on my picture just to see if this works. I'm going to click on it. Should take me right to my YouTube video. There it is right there. So you know you did it right. So I wish you guys good luck, and I'll see you next week.